Okay, this is how we are looking so far. The sides have been done, everything has been done, but this, bam. I'm kind of stumped on this, but we're gonna get it done. I gotta get 2 more boxes, or 4 more boxes of that tile, and then I think I'm gonna go with the same pattern. But I'm really loving how it coming out, even though it's taking us longer than it should, because both of us is working. So yeah, and I'm trying to take this down, but I don't want to mess up that drywall up under it. So I'm being kind of quite careful, but honey, I'm tired. I did the rest of that today, and Ishmael gonna do the little cuts at the top, and then there's some cuts at the bottom. And then, he got that to do. And then that little corner over there to do. But we coming along. And Ishmael's at work. So yeah. We coming along though.